Welcome to the Roland DG Australia stand at Visual Impact 2017. As always, we're showcasing a number of products and applications on the Roland stand. One of our focuses this year is our retail solutions area. So what we're doing here is showcasing a number of different technologies and also applications that can be geared towards, the retail market. As we've seen over the years, there's a growing trend of personalisation and people wanting personalised products, and we're showing customers how they can tap into this market with new or even existing technologies. So we've got our UV equipment here. This has actually been a real growth area for Roland, particularly in that personalisation market. Going into things like promotional items, merchandise and giftware, and even original goods. So you can print to a huge range of surfaces and objects, whether it's plastics, metals, woods, leathers, it's really a countless list of surfaces available. And objects, three-dimensional objects up to 100 mil high with irregular shapes. It'll cater to all that. And ultimately you can personalize it. So it's really going into markets traditionally captured by screen printing and pad printing. So it's allowing customers to get into that area for a pretty economical price point, but also without the setup costs involved in those traditional print methods. So it's as cost effective to print one item as it is to print numerous items. Then we move across to our BN20. So this is our entry-level print and cut. This has been around for a number of years now, very popular for people starting out, doing small run labels and decals or signage, but also very popular in heat transfer, which is what we're showcasing here today. So heat transfer again is a very big growth market. People looking for custom apparel and other textile goods. So you can see there's a huge range of different materials, heat transfer materials available on the market for different effects and finishes onto garments. And again, very economical for people to enter into this market with printers like the BN20, but also something they can do with their existing print and cut models. So if people are looking to diversify their own businesses, it's a very easy one to get into. And then finally on the end there, we're showcasing our engraving and metal impact solutions. So Roland's been synonymous with engraving and 3D milling for many years now. So again, it's about, I guess, showing the diversity of applications that these solutions can produce. So again, whether it goes into giftware and merchandise, or engraving into awards and to trophies and things like that. So again, about showing applications that people can use outside of their traditional markets and capturing that retail market. So obviously with the proliferation of online shopping, retailers are looking for an edge, and personalisation is certainly a way they can capture the public's attention and and ultimately sell them product. So yeah, you can see we've got a pretty vast array of samples on display, again from the heat transfer apparel market through to the awards and trophies, where we're showcasing not only the engraving but combining it with our UV technology for some very effective acrylic awards there. We've got custom drink bottles, acrylics, books. Yeah, again, it's a huge range, so big opportunity for customers. So another highlight on the Roland DG stand is the EJ640. So Roland has been, very well known for their integrated print and cut devices, and we've really captured that market over the years. But what we've also got is the choice of a separate print cut workflow. So So we've really got options to suit all customers, and the EJ is our high production print only machine, not only from the output capability and the quality, but also it has high capacity 1 litre cartridges. You can have it in a dual CMYK or a 7 colour setup with light cyan, light magenta and light black. And really it's all about running costs. So one of the biggest points in favour for the EJ640 is the low running costs and low ink consumption, and something that I guess often gets forgotten by customers when they're looking at equipment is really what it's going to cost to run, not necessarily the cost to purchase the machine up front. And yeah, EJ640 is by far one of the lowest running machines in the industry, and certainly on par in terms of, again, print speed and certainly quality. And what we can do, as I mentioned, is combine it with one of our new GR series cutters, which you can see over to my left here. So we introduced the GR series about 6 months ago to the market. So taking what we've learnt over the years in cutting technology and really about advancing that, everything from increased downforce, increased cutting speed, better accuracy, and really put that into a new robust unit, as you can see, a reinforced stand to compensate for those high speeds running in the GR series, and they pair seamlessly with a printer like the EJ640. So if people do prefer that separate print cut flow, it's as easy as dragging a file from your print queue to your cut queue, and then putting the material over through the GR, and it's as simple as that. So as I said, Roland has solutions for everyone, from integrated print and cut to separate print cut workflows. Yeah, we've got something for everyone.